really cool find. An awesome buy. I'm very happy with it. Everything is displayed right there. How long you've been on it, how many steps you've gone. Now, in all fairness, I was going to return it because it's really, it gives no stability when you're walking. And so I have gotten very close to the end. However, I found these cool stabilizers right there. I put them together. I found those on Amazon also. And they're extremely sturdy, extremely sturdy. So here we go. I step like right on the sides until I get it on, and then we get going. There we go. See, it counts down, 3, 2, 1, and then I usually get it going a little bit, and then I'm on. I like to get it up. I use these bars. They're very sturdy, very sturdy. Without them, I could go maybe a couple of minutes without losing my balance. But with these now, yeah, very stable. I can stay on for as long as I like. And you can make it as fast as you like. And the sound is very minimal. Let's put it like that. Great deal. Great find, you guys.
Okay, quickly, just going to go over the less important part, but the grips being a little bit uneven. But more importantly, this phone, ironically, the one with the uneven grip, very stable. And it's a little bit rocky, but this one's very minuscule. This one, on the other hand, not so much. You come down here, you can really see it. And just to make sure that it's not an issue of the floor itself, just gonna have them switch. Yeah, still about the same and still an issue.
Even after trying multiple times to straighten it out, mine is crooked, as you can tell here, which makes it wobble. That was kind of hard to tell from this video, but I disassembled this part again and I reassembled it, trying to tweak it that way, but no matter how many times I tried, you see how crooked it is. So, I mean, it's not going to fall over or anything, but I wish it was a little straighter. But, see the wobble in it? Oh well.
Alright, so I've got an issue with these. This one goes all the way in perfectly, no struggle. good there. This one stops right there. No matter how much I twist and turn, I've tried this one over here. I've tried that one over here. That one works in there. This one does not work here or there. And I've tried from various angles, putting it upright, upside down, sideways. It does not go any further than that.
This is missing. One of those is missing, so.
Excellent.
Hello? Yeah, Coco. No, I'm up in 5 minutes.